Hi guys, hello, how are we doing today? Finally, so good to see you here. Hello everybody. Hi, hello everyone. Hi love. कैसे हैं आप? हाय ऋतुराज. वेल आपको पता है परसों के दिन मैंने एक रील शेयर किया था, एक गाना शेयर किया था जिसका नाम है विश. इतना कमाल का गाना. आपने देखा मेरा रील कि नहीं? अगर नहीं देखा है तो चेकआउट करिए बिकॉज बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा सॉन्ग है. 3 दिन हो गए लेकिन आई एम स्टिल हमिंग दैट सॉन्ग. इट्स अ हरियाणवी सॉन्ग एंड यू नो हाउ मच फन हरियाणवी सॉन्ग आर, राइट? So this song is by Saga Music. Go check out my recent reel. You'll find it there and make reels like that and tag me. I love you so very much. So guys, very quickly. Acha, okay. So many people are here to see the black saree that I'm wearing. There we go. Yeah. Okay. आपको पता है आई वॉज रीडिंग कि साइंटिफिकली स्टैटिस्टिक्स ये बताते हैं कि किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में या किसी भी मैरिज में लड़कियां ज़्यादा जल्दी बोर हो जाती हैं, लड़कियां ज़्यादा जल्दी गिव अप कर जाती हैं लड़कों पे. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि लड़के जल्दी I'm talking about this because as a dating coach, I keep on researching, and when something interesting comes in, it just gets my attention, and I have to tell it to you. So, studies shows that लड़कियां ज़्यादा जल्दी बोर हो जाती है. You know why? Because women के लिए प्रायोरिटी सेक्स नहीं होती है. उनके लिए जो प्रायोरिटी होती है वो होता है रोमांस और आपकी इंटीमेसी और बाकी सारी चीज़ें. सो अगर किसी शादी में या किसी रिलेशनशिप में जहाँ लड़की को लगता है कि ठीक है यार, my partner is like just okay, there is no excitement, there is no romance, there is no charm, there is no chivalry, then they get bored much faster than a man. इसलिए कई बार आपने ऐसा देखा होगा कि बाहर से ऐसे देखने में लगता है कि लड़के धोखा देते हैं या लड़के ज़्यादा जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं, लेकिन in reality women tend to get bored of men much faster. Married or unmarried, it doesn't matter. So make sure that you take care of the women, and this is one of the signs that tells you that your relationship is not going to last. Well, this is 2020, you know, we all are knowing what we really want from life, and we are not ready to settle for anything less than that, right? So they may be experimenting with you, they may be wanting to be with you for a long time, but if you give these 3-4 signs that I'm quickly going to talk about, because I mentioned in the story, what I'm going to talk about in my live session also today is how to know for how long your relationship is going to last, or whether it is going to last or not. There are some signs that we tend to ignore, but they are extremely important, and they're like this big of a red flag and we don't see it. Number one is partners, those who are paying more attention to their business, to their dogs, to their friends than their partner, tend to lose their relationship very soon, because your partner, your lover is not feeling valued. You think that it is very important to give your 100% to your business and to your dog, but एक बार आपने अगर रिश्ते में कमिट कर दिया, then you think कि ठीक है, now it's done, it will work on an automated mode. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It is a consistent effort, it is a consistent desire to be with someone and to make them feel happy and to make them feel special. Be it buying them small gifts, be it getting ready for them, be it taking out time in the morning to make love to them, not in the night when you know you will be tired, you'll be having headache, or you'll be having kids around you. These small things that we tend to forget, especially in a marriage, actually takes away the charm very soon. Second thing is neglect about your partner's desire. You think that okay, just because they are around you, they'll always be around. You tend to misbehave, which means कि आप अपने पार्टनर से बदतमीजी कर लेते हैं, लेकिन बाहर किसी अनजाने के साथ या कोई भी हो, वर्क कलीग हो, दूसरी बंदियां हो, उनसे आप बड़े अच्छे से पेश आते हैं, और आपके पार्टनर जो हैं they just know the difference. And why does it actually why do you do that? I mean, आप अपने पार्टनर से इतनी बदतमीजी से बात करते हैं और बाहर अच्छे से बात कैसे कर पाते हैं? So the main reason is subconsciously आपको ये पता होता है कि आप अपने पार्टनर से कैसे भी बात करेंगे, वो कहीं जाने वाला नहीं है, you know, आपको छोड़ करके. So that comfort zone is not a good idea, because eventually they will leave you, and I'm telling you, things are moving faster than we think they are. So if you're really in love and if you want to hold on to somebody, stay with them. And I'm going to talk more about this on Anveshi Janab. Bye. Take care. I love you.